Hello friends, this is Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with lesson 5, the freedom struggle. As you know, we will cover the concept 5.1, reforms after. As you know students, in that we have a concept, reforms after 1857 and partition of Bengal. As we read earlier, different Congress leaders had a different ideas about how to fight the harsh and unjust British rule. So they divided into two groups. In 1907, they came to be known as moderates and extremists. Just put a one look on image. Here we have the moderates and this side we have the extremists. About the moderates, the early nationalists, also known as moderates. Moderates were the earlier Congress leaders. This group was mainly active in between 1885 to 1907. The moderates wanted to be a part of a government. They wanted the government to make a changes in a failure of Indians. Moderates adopted a constitutional and peaceful approach to achieve their objectives. They remained friendly towards the British rule. Here we have a moderates. For different achievements of moderates, they sowed the seeds of nationalism. They brought political consequences by educating Indians. They instilled self-confidence among the people. They criticized the negative policies of the British. What about the extremists? What about the extremists? Those leaders who were aggressive in getting their demands were called the extremist, or a person who goes to extremes, especially in political matters, is called extremist. Just put a one look on extremist. Here we have Lala Lajpat Rai. Next we have the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and here we have Bipin Chandra Pal. What were the different achievements of extremists? Bal Gangadhar Tilak became the leader of extremist group in the Congress. The extremists emphasized the national scheme of education, boycotting the government controlled universities and colleges all over the country. Let's see about the partition of Bengal. At the beginning of 20th century, the Indian freedom movement had gained a strength. Most Indians players were convinced that the British rule did not good for India or the Indian people. The British tried different ways to crush and kill the freedom movement. One of the things they tried was to divide the Hindus and Muslims in Bengal. They did not want them to live in one province. Therefore, they divided the Bengal into two in 1905. This was called as what? The partition of Bengal. The partition separated the largely Muslim eastern areas from the largely Hindu western areas on 16th October 1905. After being announced on 20th July 1905, Lord Curzon, the Viceroy of India. What were the intentions of the partition of Bengal? The partition of Bengal was seen as the Britishers' tactic of divide and rule policy. The reason for such a partition stated as to run the administration smoothly, but real intention was somewhat different. British built the policy of divide and rule policy and they separated the Muslim from Hindus. But later, the Bengal was united in 1911. Partition of Bengal infuriated, angered the people all over the India. Now, large public meeting and demonstrations were organized. Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal called upon the people to rebel and overthrow the government. Lal Bal Pal mobilized the Indians across the country against the Bengal partition, and demonstrations, strikes and boycotts of the British goods that began in Bengal. Soon it spread to other regions in the border protests against the British Raj. This led to the Swadeshi movement. The Swadeshi movement opposed the British rule and encouraged the production and the use of Indian foods to fight for Swaraj. Extremists advocated the boycott of the British institutions and the goods. Despite of all these, the partition took place. The British government suppressed the opposition with its all might, but 4 years later, the partition was cancelled. So in this way today, students, we have covered about the partition of Bengal and the role of moderates and extremists. Now next part of it, we will continue in next session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.